What are you doing there, my baby? Oh my god, my baby is looking really monster right now. But I really like it. Oh, I like it. You look like Nagrons, but you are really pretty for me.
Alam niyo anong nakakainis mga sis? Kapag mag-text ka sa boyfriend mo ng kasing haba ng buhok ni Rapunzel, tapos ang reply niya kasing iksi ng bangs ni Dora, nakakainis, di ba? Kaya shout out sa mga lalaki dyan, mag-text naman kayo ng mahaba kahit maiksi yung sa inyo.
Come on, baby, you can do it, can do it. Wait, oh, I like it, I like it. One more time, one more time. I like it more and more. Hi, baby, how are you? What are you doing? What is that? What are you? I know that you really miss me. Why you're eating that banana too?
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go crazy.
Go stupid. You smart like an A+ student. I know right now.